Hello everyone. And welcome back once again to another interesting video. In today's video we'll discuss top 10 SQL interview questions along with their answers. That can help you prepare for a SQL interview. So if you are ready, let's start today's video. Question 1. What is SQL? Answer. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It is a domain-specific language used for managing and manipulating relational databases. SQL allows users to perform various operations like querying data, inserting, updating, and deleting records in a database. Question 2. What is a database? Answer. A database is a structured collection of data organized in a way that allows for efficient storage, retrieval, and manipulation of data. It consists of tables, where each table represents a specific entity, and columns define the attributes of that entity. Question 3. What is the difference between SQL and NoSQL databases? Answer. SQL databases are relational databases that use structured query language for defining and manipulating data. NoSQL databases, on the other hand, are non-relational databases that can handle unstructured or semi-structured data. SQL databases are generally used for structured data with fixed schemas, while NoSQL databases are suitable for handling dynamic or schema-less data. Question 4. Explain the difference between inner join and left join. Answer. Inner join, it returns only the rows where there is a match in both tables. If there is no match in the second table, the row is excluded from the result. Left join, it returns all rows from the left table and the matched rows from the right table. If there is no match in the right table, null values are returned for the columns from the right table. Question 5. What is normalization in SQL? Answer. Normalization is the process of organizing data in a database to reduce redundancy and dependency. It involves dividing large tables into smaller, related tables and defining relationships between them. The goal of normalization is to minimize data duplication and improve data integrity. Question 6. What is the difference between primary key and unique constraint? Answer. Primary key. A primary key is a column or set of columns that uniquely identifies each row in a table. It ensures that the values in the key columns are unique and not null. Unique constraint. A unique constraint ensures that the values in the specified columns are unique, but it allows null values. Multiple columns can have unique constraints. Question 7. Explain ACID properties in the context of databases. Answer. ACID stands for atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability. These properties are used to ensure the reliability and integrity of transactions in a database. Atomicity. A transaction is treated as a single, indivisible unit. It is either completed entirely or not at all. Consistency. A transaction takes the database from one consistent state to another. All data integrity constraints must be satisfied. Isolation. Transactions are isolated from each other to prevent interference. Each transaction appears to execute in isolation. Durability. Once a transaction is committed, its changes are permanent and survive system failures. Question 8. What is an index in SQL, and why is it used? Answer. An index is a database structure that improves the speed of data retrieval operations on a table. It provides a fast way to look up rows based on the values in one or more columns. Indexes are used to optimize query performance by reducing the number of rows that need to be scanned. Question 9. What is the difference between delete and truncate in SQL? Answer. Delete. Delete is a DML, data manipulation language, command used to remove specific rows from a table based on a condition. It is slower than truncate and generates more transaction logs. Truncate is a DDL, data definition language, command used to remove all rows from a table, resetting the table to an empty state. It is faster than delete but cannot be used with a where clause. Question 10. Explain the difference between a stored procedure and a function in SQL. Answer. Stored procedure. A stored procedure is a set of SQL statements that can be executed as a single unit. It can perform actions and return multiple result sets. Stored procedures do not necessarily return a value but can have output parameters. Function. A function is a SQL object that returns a single value. It takes input parameters, performs computations, and returns a result. Functions are used for calculations and can be part of SQL expressions. These SQL interview questions and answers cover a range of fundamental concepts and should help you prepare for SQL-related job interviews. However, remember that interview questions may vary depending on the position and company, so it's important to review specific job requirements and practice additional questions as well. That's all for this video. We will learn more about SQL in upcoming videos. And, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell for more content, so you don't miss any upcoming video. Until next time, keep exploring and keep coding. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.